In 2025, South Asia stood at the edge of war. Decades of tension between India and Pakistan reached a boiling point. But in this alternate timeline, history took a different turn. The Kashmir dispute has fueled decades of hostility between India and Pakistan. By 2025, the political climate was more volatile than ever. Skirmishes along the line of control intensified. But what triggered the war? Anchor reports suggest Indian forces shelled civilian areas in Azad Kashmir. Islamabad has issued a stern warning. On May 3, 2025, an Indian airstrike hit a strategic Pakistani outpost in Neelam Valley, claiming it targeted insurgents. Pakistan responded within hours, launching Operation Zara, a precise and multi-front military retaliation in Kashmir. Within 72 hours, Pakistan executed coordinated strikes across multiple fronts. Using advanced drone swarms and electronic warfare, Pakistani forces disabled 2 Indian air bases and neutralized India's prized S-400 missile defense systems in Northern Command. By day 5, Pakistan had reclaimed strategic heights in the Neelam and Dras sectors. For the first time since Kargil, Indian forces lost control of key mountain passes. Morale on the Indian side wavered. Pakistan's control of the skies shocked military observers. Anonymous Indian pilot, we couldn't see them coming, the jamming, and the silence before the storm. It was chaos. The world took notice. China declared strategic neutrality, but bolstered Pakistan with satellite intel. Russia called for peace but halted arms transfers to India. The United States warned against escalation and urged for diplomacy, fearing a nuclear spillover. South Asia was 24 hours away from a nuclear event. A ceasefire was brokered on May 12th. Under international pressure, both nations agreed to suspend operations. But the balance had shifted. Pakistan retained control of over 300 square kilometers in northern Kashmir. It was the most significant redrawing of the line of control since 1971. The human cost was immense. Over 10,000 displaced, hundreds killed, and deep wounds left on both sides. But for Pakistan, this conflict was a demonstration of strategic modernization, intelligence warfare and resilience. Pakistani general, we acted not out of aggression but defense. But history will remember who prevailed when it mattered most. In this fictional future, Pakistan emerged with tactical victories and regional leverage. But the Kashmir question remains unsolved, a haunting reminder of the cost of unresolved history. Peace must always be the real objective.